Alright, this is 7. I was like searching YouTube about like how to release a rim, and I had a hub and a shadow rim just laying around, so I wanted to do it. And I had a bunch of like spokes, and I went to like on Google and I looked up a spoke calculator, and it told me that I needed 187 spokes, 7mm or something shit like that, and I had 186s. So I got these like really long, ridiculous looking spoke nipples, but I don't care. So like, yeah, I just built my rim, and it only took me like 25 minutes maybe. And I'm gonna show you if it's straight or not. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Here, this is my shadow conspiracy rim, my shadow ramp hub, and look, it's pretty damn straight. I haven't even tensioned the spokes. I didn't try to fix any hops or anything. It's just like there. Pretty damn good. It's not heavy at all either. It's pretty good. And like, I took the spoke nipples from some kind of crappy Harrow hub that was laced to this Alex rim, and some Harrow hub that looked like this from the front, some like Walmart crap, and I made this. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm gonna put that on my fit over there, if you can see that. Yeah. Alright, cool. See you later.